Stop making boring QR code like this. Instead of this, use this one website to generate eye-catching QR codes. Using this website, you can also monitor how many people scan your QR
क्या
code.
बात कर रहे हैं?
So let's begin the video. As you come to the website, you will able to see multiple types of QR code for almost everything like website, Instagram, videos and PDF. For example, if you want to promote your Instagram, then just select that option and type your username. You can also customize the design to fit your style, like change the color, adjust the patterns, and even you can also add your own logo. Once you are ready, just click on create. You will be redirected to download page where you can grab your QR code. And the best part is you will get access to exact analytics so you can see how many people are scanning your QR codes. So if you are running a business and Instagram page, then it will also help you in your daily work. Want more content like this? Then don't forget to like and subscribe.